DoubleTree. By Hilton is a big hotel. We have 369 rooms, over 4,000 square meters of meeting space, and a large spa. Running such a big hotel requires using even a dozen thousand units of bed linen. It's a logistical challenge to manage such a large number. Changing the sheets daily is just one of our room services tasks. Until now, keeping the high quality of our bed linens required them to be counted and sorted every day, both before sending the dirty and after receiving the clean sheets. It was a very tedious job prone to counting errors. To raise the effectiveness of our room service and to reduce the workload of our team, we looked for new solutions. That's how we discovered the innovative UBI cloud technology by UBI Solutions. Every unit of linens in our hotel is now equipped with a smart chip. Using the Zebra mobile scanners, our employees quickly count both the outgoing and incoming loads. What used to take hours now takes just a few minutes. The data allows us to exactly locate every unit of linens, which makes managing the circulation much easier. We can monitor the stock at all times and reduce losses. Implementing the UBI cloud technology has increased the quality, effectiveness, and fluidity of the housekeeping department. Please be invited to stay at the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel.